Hello everyone, welcome to a beautiful Saturday afternoon down here by the Minnesota River. And I haven't been here in a little while, not since last fall, I guess. Mostly because it's a little tricky to get here with the snow, and it's a little hard to, I'm not sure I can get out of here when there's too much snow on the ground. And most of this spring, this area has been flooded. And this is also the area where I help build mountain bike trails. And I'm happy to see that the river levels have gone down quite a bit and the dirt is finally drying out. So I'm gonna fly my drone around a few packs, have fun weaving in and out of the trees. And then once that's all done, I'm gonna start rebuilding the mountain bike trails. So enjoy.
Now that I've lost everything to you, you say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear, but then a lot of nice things turn bad out there. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I always remember you like a child girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two, 'cause I never wanna see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad ass beware. Beware. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get back just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And I always remember you like a child girl. Yeah. Baby, I love you, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad ass beware. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And I always remember you like a child girl. Oh, yeah. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And I always remember you like a child girl.
Well, that's all the batteries I brought with me today, so I guess I'm gonna have to go start working on the bike trails instead. See you next time.